Hello, Nakabo, and welcome to this BPE training video. Because of the current evidence we will get, but this coronavirus, we know say it transfer through droplet and contact. Droplet transmission it occur if person dey near somebody who gets the sick. Then the droplet it can also happen if you didn't near person in environment to side in day, the patient to side the patient day, you didn't near that place there. And then you they take care of them patient and they near the person. You touch that side, then you touch your face. They get the sick. People are way more likely forget the sick. Now, the one that way they take care like them well body workman then, where they take care of patient that we get the sick. So we make this video for like in teach we or like a learn we how we for protect we self we the well body workman then for like we not get the sick. For like we protect we self, one thing they do number one would the wash we hand. And when you want wash your hand, if you make sure say if you get watch or you get ring na your hand, if you pull all, then we use a hand sanitizer, then we follow the WHO technique. First, you put the sanitizer na your hand, but you make your hand like a couplet. You put them there, you rub you palm them palm to palm. Then secondly, you rub the one hand behind the other one. Then you do them na the other side back 5-5-10. Then you put the finger then within themselves, then call and interlace. In back they do and 10-10. The next thing way you do, you grip your hand then call a monkey grip. The grip your hand then do and so 5-10, you do and so 5-10. You rub your thumb, you grip one, you do 5-10. You grip the other one back with the other hand, you do 5-10. After you don't do you gather your finger then there you fingernail them. You grip them na the other palm 5-10. Then you rub the other one back na the other palm 5-10. So the last step at this was anya. You do now. You rub your wrist. That you hand. You rub your wrist 5-10 over here. You do on the other side back 5-10. And you continue for do that and they tell you hand dry. So when you hand on dry now you hand and clean and safe for that you wear your PPE. Now you're ready for put on you equipment them, but make sure say you check them for any damage one. Now you're ready for wear your gown and zip them, and make sure say and cover all your clothes them by you. Next, you put your surgical mask and make sure say it cover your nose and your mouth. And you pinch the mental part, the iron part of up your nose part for let it fit your nose fine. Then if you try for make you not touch the mask once you don't put it on na your face. If you want touch them, if you wash your hand before you do it, and you wash them after when you don't do it. Next, you put on you eye protection, which can be either a big goggles or a big face shield wey you dey put on top the mask. So the last one now wey you dey do, you dey wear you two glove dem and the two hand dem, and you make sure say e cover the hand of that gown wey you wear for let your skin no go comot and do. Now when you don wear all thing, you dey check the equipment if dem all dey intact, or if you put them on correctly, because dem no go wan let your skin comot and do. Can find let somebody dey near you wey sabi the procedure, find one wey go able assess you fine. If that don happen, now you can ready for enter na the patient in room. After you don comot take care of the patient now na the room, now you can ready for pull your PPE. But bear in mind say PPE in pull one in dey pose the highest risk for like well body workman get sick. So make sure say you avoid all contact with the PPE wey you don wear, because it already contaminated with your clothes, your body and your face. Respect the order wey dey before you company wey dey read for you, or the mirror wey you tema before. The first step na for wash your hand first. The next thing wey you dey do, you dey pull your gown, but you dey try for fend the flap na the chest. You do am calm before, use the hand for fend the zip up. Make sure say you pull the gown away from your neck for let your hand not touch am. Let your hand not touch your neck. Then you dey zip am down, then you pull the gown. When you dey pull am, make sure say e not touch your body. You dey pull am away from your body. After when you don pull am, you put am safely na the dustbin, or you put am na the laundry department. Next, you dey pull your glove. How you dey pull the glove? You dey use glove to glove and then skin to skin technique. Then tear wey you dey pull, so na then are the most dirty item then, so you get for to weigh them carefully. Next, you dey wash your hand before you pull the eye protection. Next, for pull the eye protection, you dey bend calm before small, and then you pull the thing away from your face. Make sure say e not touch your face. Next, we dey remove the mask. We dey pull the mask, and how you dey pull am? That rope the way you take tie behind your head. Now that you dey try for loose, and then you bend before you pull the mask. no ever touch the marks of himself. Now the final step and the way you dey do, you dey wash your hand either with hand sanitizer or soap. If you hand them dirty, where you see and say them dirty, you use soap and water. After we don't do that day, now you don ready for return back inside your company. Well, body work man then day.